Alright, so today we are going to be installing a ceiling fan. I've had this ceiling fan, it's 2024. I probably had it for 12 years in the box. We bought it when we originally were building our house, our first house, and I just never got it installed. Our electrician was not a good electrician, so I didn't bother having him put it up. It's not a regular ceiling fan. It comes down and it splits into two little fans. We liked it at the time. I really have no use for it now, but it went through my house fire. But it's still in the box, so it was pretty much protected. But I don't want it to put it inside because it might smell like smoke. So it's going to be going on the back porch of my current house. And let me show you the box it's in. So that's the fan. It's all pretty much in packages, but you can see the box is kind of smoked out. I don't even think you can kind of get a idea of what it is on the box. Maybe over here. No. Let's see. Yeah. Either way, we're gonna get it back to the back porch and get it installed, and it'll be our project for the day. Let's go over let's inventory it. Let's get out of this nasty box. Alright, looks like the fan. See what I mean by it mounts in the middle and then there's two heads. So then I think you can direct these to where you want them. Close enough. We'll take this off. We don't need it anymore. It's rusty and dirty anyway. Power is off. Breaker's off. We've all learned our lesson, haven't we? There's only one screw holding it. We'll get a bit. I'll get it taken off. All right. Go. So I think I kind of figured it out. So this is the bracket that's going to attach to the light box, electrical box. This is going to go in there for the swivel point. This is the cover that goes on. This is a trim piece that goes on to cover these screws. And then this attaches to this with this pin. And once we get there and get that hung, we can figure the rest out. But let's get this hung, and that should be pretty simple. So, let's find the screws, which should be in here. Now I'm not going to use these electrical connectors at my own. This has a ground on it because it's metal, so it grounds this bracket to the ground that we already have. These washers. This has to hold the what. This has to hold the weight of the fan, so this needs to be secure. So. Wasn't that bad. Now we get to connect the electrical wires. Do we care? All right, now we just need to install everything else. Let's put the fan blades together. Looks like it works. Yeah. All right. Well, fan's installed. Video's done.